A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant step towards restoring public confidence in law enforcement, Home Secretary Yvette Cooper has announced a new law that will allow for the automatic dismissal of police officers who fail background checks. This legislative change, set to come into effect on May 14th, aims to address the pressing issue of officers with troubling past remaining in service. Cooper emphasized the necessity of this reform, stating that public trust in policing has been severely damaged due to serious misconduct cases that went unaddressed. The new law will legally require all serving officers in England and Wales to pass rigorous vetting procedures, thereby closing a significant loophole that previously allowed individuals with histories of domestic abuse or sexual offenses to retain their positions. Met Police Commissioner Sir Mark Rowley echoed these sentiments, highlighting that the ability to hold a vetting clearance is fundamental to establishing trust in police officers who wield substantial power. Rowley noted that it was unacceptable for officers to lose their vetting status yet remain employed within the force. This reform is expected to empower police chiefs to swiftly remove individuals deemed unfit to serve, thereby safeguarding both public safety and the integrity of the police force. The impetus for these changes stems from high-profile incidents that have raised serious questions about the effectiveness of current police vetting processes. The conviction of Wayne Couzens for the abduction and murder of Sarah Everard, along with the case of serial rapist David Carrick, has prompted a re-evaluation of how officers are vetted and retained. The Home Office has acknowledged that the existing system allows officers to remain on full pay even when deemed unfit for duty, which has sparked outrage among the public and within the police community. Chief Constable Alex Franklin-Smith, who leads the National Police Chiefs Council on Vetting, welcomed the announcement, asserting that police officers must adhere to the highest standards. He expressed confidence that the new statutory vetting regulations would provide clear pathways for action against those who do not meet the required standards. The Home Secretary reiterated the government's commitment to enhancing public confidence in policing, stating that the reforms are part of a broader strategy to ensure that only individuals suitable for the role of police officer are allowed to serve. Future measures will include strengthening national vetting standards and implementing legal requirements for all police forces to comply. Additionally, the government plans to facilitate the suspension of officers suspected of violence against women and girls, ensuring that those convicted of serious crimes face automatic gross misconduct findings. The overarching goal of these reforms is not only to protect the public but also to support the majority of dedicated officers who uphold the law with integrity. The Home Office's announcement has been met with approval from various stakeholders, including Dame Nicole Jacobs, the Domestic Abuse Commissioner for England and Wales, who emphasized the importance of these changes in rebuilding public trust. Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan, also expressed support for the measures, highlighting the necessity of giving police leadership the authority to act decisively against those who fail vetting. As these changes are set to be introduced in Parliament, the focus remains on ensuring that the police force can effectively serve and protect the public while maintaining the highest standards of conduct and accountability. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.